Hi, I'm Mike. Today, we're taking a closer look at the TK Series Inline Paddle Wheel Flow Meter. Engineered for precision, the TK Series flow meters provides reliable flow measurement, even in the toughest industrial conditions. Here's a closer look at the TK Series Paddle Wheel Flow Meter. The LED display shows the real-time flow rate and totalizer readings with clarity, shielded by a durable polycarbonate cover. The M12 connector ensures quick and secure system integration. The paddle wheel assembly is sealed tightly with a reliable O-ring. The zirconium ceramic rotor pin offers excellent wear resistance and long-term durability. Now, let's take a closer look at the paddle wheel. The rotor, molded from chemically resistant Tefzel, features a contoured profile for accurate flow sensing. Zirconium ceramic bushings on both sides reduce wear and maintain smooth rotation. The display unit can also be rotated 360 degrees for easy viewing and installation at any angle. The TK Series body is available in various material options and also features a true union design for all plastic versions for sizes up to 2 inches. During operation, ensure the pipe remains full for accurate measurement. As liquid flows, the paddle wheel rotates smoothly, delivering a reliable linear output. With 24 VDC power and signal supplied through the M12 connection, the display shows real-time flow rate and totalizer readings for continuous monitoring. The TK Series flow meter ensures dependable performance in demanding flow applications,